Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. Today we're going to be doing our Ipsy Plus. I just want to point one thing out to you guys. This is how it came, just like that. Doesn't look like they tried to fix it or anything. That's just the tape that, you know, it normally comes with. But yeah, that's the first time I've had a package that's completely damaged like that. So I'm hoping that everything inside is good. Generally, they do package it pretty well so that, you know, it has that foam stuff on there just in case things like this happen. But anyway, I was getting ready to go to work. This just appeared in my mailbox as I was getting ready to leave, so I figured I would come on real quick and film this so that I could get that done, because I'm excited to see what is in this box actually. With everything that's been going on with Ipsy this month, kind of excited to see what's in this box. So if you don't know, this is the Ipsy Plus. It is a subscription, and it is $25 a month. I don't think that changed. I'm pretty sure that's right. And I don't know. Let's see. So when you open it up, okay, so it used to say, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. So now I guess everything has changed from the box. This is different. That's different. The foam is now orange, went from blue to yellow. Anyway, so there's our things inside. And on the Ipsy, what was it, my Ultimate, I pronounced this as Haunted, thinking November, da-da-da, but it's actually Flaunt It. And I did correct that in my other video. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into this box. As I just said, the theme is Flaunt It. And it says, let's start obsessing over what we love about ourselves. It's time to show off what makes you feel beautiful. Those lips, that skin, and who better than iconic beauty muse and confidence queen Betty Boop to inspire you to flaunt it unapologetically. So on the Ultimate, they did not give us prices, so I'm kind of wanted to see if they gave us prices, and they did. So I don't understand why there's no prices on the Ultimate. A lot of people were complaining about that, so that's kind of a bummer. I hope they fix that. Okay, so moving on. I think I have some things that I bought in here too. Yes, okay. So my add-ons are in this bag. So for one add-on, I got the Sigma E25 blending brush. Definitely a staple. Everybody loves Sigma brushes for the most part, so I had to have that when I seen that it was an add-on. Let's see, what else did I add on? This I added on, which is a Tarte Chrome paint pot. I just bought a couple of these, so I'm really excited to actually have this. If you guys watched my haul video, you'd see that I bought this. This is in the shade Park Avenue Princess, so super excited for that. These are really nice too. So I'm glad I got this. And I got this before I even realized that, I think that's why I bought this, is because I knew that I had gotten it when I went to Ulta. All right, so, so that, it's a little loose, kind of like a loose pigment kind of deal here, and you can push it down. So as soon as I can get that off, because I don't want it to fall, there's the color. Very, very pretty. Oh my goodness, you guys. That's stunning. Stunning. Okay. And of course, like I said, I'm getting ready to go to work, so I don't have a makeup wipe in front of me or anything like that. What else did I get as an add-on? Let's see. That might be it. Is this? No. Okay, so this is an add-on. I think this is the last add-on. So this is the Derma E Skin Restore Advanced Peptides Collagen Moisturizer. I've never tried anything from Derma E before, so I wanted to give this a shot. I do remember picking this now. Oh, doesn't have a safety seal thingy on it. Or is it stuck in there? No, it doesn't. Smells really good. Definitely could be some more stuff in there, but I don't think this was an expensive one. I think this was a $3 one. And it is a ½ ounce of product in there. Okay, so now onto the box. So we do get the same bag as we got in the Ultimate, and that's why they sent us that mascara. I forgot all about that, but that's why they sent the mascara, because we did receive the same bag. So anybody that hasn't seen it yet, has the nice red in there, and Betty Boop times Ipsy. All right, so I'm gonna pull out the first thing that Okay, at first I thought it was a repeat, but it's not a repeat because it is the bronzer palette. So this is the Lovecraft Beauty bronzer palette. And this is, let me get the thing, excuse me, inspired by New Orleans mysticism. Makeup artist and founder Francis Daly, D-A-L-Y, Daly, believes beauty is a connection to your inner magic. These matte bronzers easily blend and build to a natural sun-kissed glow. And why is there so many words in here that is hard? Anyway, okay. So this is valued at $30. I did get the blush palette, like I said, so, and I did like it. I did use it for quite some time. So it has a mirror, and then I guess I should take that off so I don't blind you. You know, and I'm actually looking for a new bronzer because I'm almost out of my Marc Jacobs one, and I'm trying to find like a really good bronzer. So there are those. Very nice colors. I'm not going to swatch it right now because it's just regular bronzers. And moving on, let's see. So we have a Dr. Brandt, which I received this, but it was the Valentine's Day version. I think my very first Ipsy Plus, I believe. But anyway, it is a nice product. So this is valued at $79, which I'm kind of upset that the whole value of my box is in something that they've already sent me, just in different packaging. Because the Valentine's Day one has like little hearts on it, and it's got some red writing or something on it. But it is essentially the same product. So yeah, a little bit upset about that. But so they said they weren't doubling things up, but this basically is a double, just different packaging. All right, it's like a trip to the derm in a jar because it was developed by one. A mixture of lactic acid and microcrystals slough away the day to reveal brighter, tighter skin. Why can't they just use regular words? Why do they have to? Okay. A soothing blend of jojoba, chamomile, and aloe vera helps reduce redness. Wow, look at that glow. It is a nice product. I'm not saying it's not, but for the the most expensive thing in my box, I've already received it from Ipsy. So, okay. Next item is from Jolie Cosmetics. I don't think I've ever had anything from these guys before. And it is a Spectra Stick in Stella. Named after the French word for pretty, Jolie creates one-of-a-kind, high-quality products that inspire confidence. This universally flattering rose quartz highlighter is infused with micro glitter that glides across cheekbones, flawlessly blending onto skin for a subtle, dewy shimmer. Okay, so another shimmer stick. So I don't think I'm going to, I'm going to probably put this in a giveaway. Let me see if I can get it open without breaking it, because I have so many of these things and I don't use them at all. The packaging is really pretty, but I do have a lot of these kinds of sticks. So that's what it looks like. Yeah, I'm going to put this away for a giveaway, so I'm sorry I'm not going to swatch it, but it's just something that I'm not going to use. Oh, it's kind of cute how it does click down in there. But yeah, I'm not going to use that, so sorry about that. That is valued, if I did not say, at $26. So that will be going in for a giveaway. Okay, so the next item is from Real Her, and I have had their palette that they sent, I think it was in Ipsy. I Am Adaptable Matte Liquid Lipstick. This timeless red shade was created in collaboration with competitive athlete and motivational speaker Misty Diaz, who was born and lives with Spina Bifida. Don't know what that is, but never competes without bright red lips. It's non-drying, matte, and incredibly inspiring. Valued at $20. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, it definitely is red, for sure. Very red. So let's do a little swatch of that. Doesn't have a bad smell. It's definitely red with a blue undertone. So that would probably make your teeth look really nice and white. Did I just get that? You guys, I just got that on my nose. No, no, it's gonna be there the rest of the video. You guys, look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's gonna be there the rest of the video now, because I'm not gonna get up and find my makeup to try to get that off there. I cannot believe that just happened. And I have to go to work, you guys. Like, seriously, I'm pushing it. Okay, so we've got one more product to go through. So let's go ahead and do that. And yeah, I did say that was $20. So the last item in here is the Betty Boop with my red nose. I cannot believe I just did that. Betty Boop eyeshadow palette. And I believe I did pick this. I think I got the option to pick it. So that, if I can get it open. Oh, I do have one more add-on on here. I'll show you in 1 second. I had a problem getting the other one open in the other bag, the blush palette. All right, so there's what your palette looks like. Very cute, sleek. And oh, there goes the paper. Full mirror, and there are your colors. Very, very pretty. So let's do a couple swatches of these. Like I said, I don't have my wipes. Oh, I do have a wipe beside me. So we're gonna go here. Oh my goodness, you guys. Wow. Okay, I'm impressed with this. I'm definitely impressed with this. Let me grab my wipes. Sorry about the noise. Yeah, I like that. I cannot believe I just got red lipstick on my nose and I have to go to work like literally in like 10 minutes. Like, I have to leave. So I'm not gonna have much time to fix that. Oh my goodness. All right, and then the last 4 colors. This is really pretty, you guys. They kind of feel dry, but they're swatching really nice. But of course, a swatch does not tell you anything. Let's go here because I'm out of room. See, very pretty swatches, you guys. Very pretty swatches. Gorgeous. Let's read it. Let's read what it says. I still can't get over my nose. Okay, I cannot open it back up now because now my hands are wet. It is valued at $30, and it says, inspired by the iconic beauty muse Betty Boop, this Ipster exclusive eyeshadow palette is here to help you obsess over you. Show you the swatches there instead. And what else does it say? With 8 buildable hues like shimmery champagne, powdery pink, and rich plum, these velvety shadow glides onto lids with ease. And valued at $30. Okay. Oh, and my last was another Derma E product, Vitamin C Concentrated Serum. That was the last add-on that I had gotten. All right, so let's recap our palette. Let's recap our box. So we have the Betty Boop eyeshadow palette, which is very pretty. I do like that a lot. We have the Lovecraft Beauty bronzer palette, which I'm not knocking that, okay? It's not bad. I am knocking this. I mean, it's not a bad product, but it is a product that I have received, but it is a good product. So I might actually, this might actually go in a giveaway, really, because if I already have one, then why would I open this one? So yeah, that's probably going in a giveaway. And then we have this beautiful red, gorgeous packaging. Look at the sparkles. From Real Her lipstick. And then we have the Jolie highlighting stick. I'm trying not to drop everything. So, and then of course the bag. So what do you guys think about this this box? I think it's okay. I think that this is actually, like, to be honest with you, I think that that is better to me than spending the $50 on the Ultimate. So, I mean, I think I'm going to give the Ultimate one more try, you know, to see if it's okay. And I'm sure Ipsy already knows that, you know, this is it for them, because they're going to lose a lot of customers if they don't step it up on that next box. It was supposed to be valued at $250, and my box was at $240. So, I mean, granted, yes, you only pay $50, but, you know, still, when you say you're going to value something at $250, there should be $250 worth of products in there, even if it's $251. But anyway, without that rant, let's leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this box, what you think Ipsy's going to do, or, you know, what we should do as consumers with Ipsy. I don't know. I kind of enjoy my add-ons a little bit more than my box this month, but that's great that they offer that. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification bell, being I'm such a small YouTuber. That way you will get your notifications. Other than that, guys, that's all. Have a fantastic day. Bye.